Hey guys, we are back to the topic of the Samsung Galaxy S10, and this time we have more colorful content to cover. And so without any further ado, let's get into it.
There's a world that's towering over me. It's too dirty to climb it will
So guys, we have now official press images of the Samsung Galaxy S10e, S10 and S10 Plus, as we get to see all of the official colors of the Galaxy S10 series that will be available at the launch of the Samsung Galaxy S10, which includes the emerald green color, pearl white and the usual black color. As alongside that, we also have official information which states that the Galaxy S10e is coming at 5.8 inches, Galaxy S10 is coming at 6.1 inches and the S10 Plus is indeed coming at 6.4 inches. All are indeed Quad HD Plus displays, and all of the Galaxies will have the Infinity O display, with the S10e and the S10 will have a single front facing camera which will make that punch hole design, and the S10 Plus will have dual front facing camera which will make that pill shape cutout. The difference in terms of the displays is that the S10e has a flat Infinity display, whereas the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus has an edge display on it where the side bezels are minimum and look like they don't even exist. The S10 has a side bezel only because it does not have an edge on it. It has been a while since we have seen the flat display on an S series flagship phone from Samsung. The last time we saw one was the Samsung Galaxy S7 with a flat display. So all of the S10 models will have an OLED panel, so there is no LCD presence here whatsoever, as the Samsung Galaxy S9 was indeed the last flagship phone from Samsung to host a single rear camera. As on the back of the S10e, we are able to see that there are dual cameras, as there is no single camera at the back, as the cameras are arranged in a horizontal position along with the LED flash and the heart rate sensor. Same as with the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus, but the S10 and S10 Plus will have triple cameras at the back, where a normal wide angle lens, a telephoto lens and an ultra wide angle lens will be present. The chin is still present on the Galaxies, but when compared to the Mate 20 Pro and the iPhone XS, it is comparatively very less. And if you pay attention to the images, you will find that the power button is placed higher than the Bixby button. That is to avoid accidental presses where people press the Bixby button as the power button, so that is to prevent that. So these were the press images of the Galaxies. As of the colors of the Galaxies, all of the Galaxies will have a pearl white color, a black color and an emerald green color, and besides that, later we will be seeing a blue special color which will be the addition to the S10 lineup. And according to sources, the S10e will be receiving a special canary yellow color later on, which is going to be great, as there has also been a leak from Evan Blass which shows a Galaxy S10 in pearl white color live, which just goes to show how good the color is going to be in real life. It's a pretty good image though, as it shows triple cams at the back. New rumor has recently been out which indicates that the S10 5G version will have a time of flight lens, TOF sensor in the camera, which will make up for the fourth camera on the 5G S10, as the S10e will have the fingerprint sensor embedded into the power button, just as the Galaxy A7 2018 and the J6 Plus. So you are really not losing very much on the Galaxy S10e, as you are missing on a telephoto lens at the back, and on the front you will be missing the in-display fingerprint scanner that will be present on the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus. So really not much to lose on the S10e. As alongside that, a table alongside the report which states that the Galaxy S10e will have a 3100 mAh battery, the S10 will have a 3400 mAh battery, and the S10 Plus will have a 4100 mAh battery. So other specs are listed as on the screen, you can see that. So battery wise, battery life on the Galaxies will be great, since the chipset that will be on board will be providing power efficiency to the device, which is great since the Snapdragon 855 is a 7nm process based chipset, and the Exynos 9820, which is an 8nm processor chipset, will provide great power efficiency. As there is also another report which claims that the Samsung Galaxy S10 series will have support for Wi-Fi 6, which will allow higher data rates, increased capacity, expansion of connectivity range, as it will also improve power efficiency. And it's great to hear that the S10 series will come with the same connectivity as upcoming iPhones of 2019 will have. As we also have another report which states that Samsung Galaxy S10 will have support for wireless back charging, which is stated as wireless power transfer, in which you will be able to charge another phone having wireless charging capabilities, as the S10 will have an exponentially higher wireless reverse charging speeds as compared to the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, who introduced this feature to the tech world, as power inside of it will be 9 watts as compared to the Mate 20 Pro's tiny 2.5 watts, as there will be nearly 4 times more charging speed than the Mate 20 Pro's charging speed, which will be able to give the S10 the capability to charge other phones at a much higher rate as compared to the Mate 20 Pro. So it ain't a small gimmick, since it could be really useful, like if someone's friend might need a small boost, and the one with the S10 could help him make it through the moment, which could be really useful and possibly a lifesaver. As the overall scene is set for the Samsung Galaxy S10 to take over, as we are just barely days left, which is on the 20th of February 2019. Alongside the S10 we will be seeing the Galaxy F, the foldable phone from Samsung. So that's all for now. Do let me know in the comments what you think about this, and if you are new, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and turn on those notifications so that you will be notified with the latest Samsung Galaxy S10 news and more mobile coverage, smartphone coverage. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Peace.